Okay, in this next set of videos, I'm going to take a look at building a website with Adobe Muse. So the first thing we want to do is we want to launch Muse. And to get ourselves started, we're going to start with the first step, which would be come to File. And because we haven't created a site yet, this is from the beginning, we're going to go to File, New Site. Now once we come to our File, New Site, we're going to get to the new screen page. And what we're going to do, we're going to leave most of this as it is. We're going to go with the default. We're going to go with the fluid width, which is going to mean it will adjust based on the monitor or the device that is looking at it, which is being viewed. Now you have advanced settings. We're going to open up the advanced settings, and we're going to keep the page width at 960. And when we look at the height of a site is always more fluid based on the content that's put in it. Now we have the margins and all that good stuff as well. The one thing that I do want to do is change the columns, and my columns are really going to be my guide, and I can use them to lay things out. I'm going to put in 4. I'm going to do a 4-column layout. I'm going to hit OK, and this now brings me to my next screen. Okay, so we come to this screen right in here, and we can see that we have our pages. I'm going to hover here, and we have a master. So what's the story with this master? We can say that this one is based on the A master. So I'm just going to take a look at a website that I have over here. And this is my website, 2329design.com. And what we can see is that when we're working on the web, that a lot of the elements will be the same on other pages. So my landing page is a little bit different. You know, it's a little bit more fancy, has the header is bigger with a little welcome, but we come to the about and we can see that our header's the same, and we come on down, we can see that our footer's the same. We can come to the portfolio, again we see our header's the same, and we can see our footer's the same. And if we come to the weekly blog, again, we can see the header. I think you're getting the idea. Contact. So when we're working on the web, there's so many different parts that are going to stay the same. So what we'd want to do with this is we can start and add our pages. All right, so my next one is going to be projects. And this is going to be an educational site on working with fabric. So we have home, about, projects. We're going to have videos. And the next one will be links and contact. So now all I'd want to do here is I would build out on the master, and then everything that I put on the master will end up on these pages. Now let's say that we wanted to create another master. We could do that as well, right? And then when we create our pages, if I wanted to create one based on the B master, I could. And I could get another B master by just clicking and dragging. And now I can see that I have a page that's based on the B master. All right, but I don't want a B master, so I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to delete this just to show you as well. You know, we could come on in if you wanted to put things beneath other ones, you could as well. So maybe you'd have a videos page, or you'd have a projects page, and under the projects you might put courses. Right, so there's so many different ways, and again, what we would do then is we'll start to come in and start to design on the master, and everything we put on the master will appear on all of these pages. This is our page where we are really focusing in on the plan, on the visual map of our website. Thanks so much.